There's no diagram that comes with the Taotao, so I went ahead and drew one up, and this is what it looks like. If you're sitting on the bike and facing towards the front of the bike. Hopefully that helps you guys. I'm going to remove the spacer from the brake caliper. Getting the brake rotor into the brake caliper was a bit of a trick, but it can be done. You'll have to pry the two brake pads apart slightly to get the clearance you need. Installing the Speedo gear puck, it's notched, so just keep rotating it around until it fits into place, and then rotate it up so that the notch on the fork is aligned with the space on the gear puck. Then you'll need to install the spacer. Goes right here. Now we're gonna push the axle bolt through the assembly. Jay, do you want to help push down on the forks?
Right here?
Just slightly. There, that's it. Hold it there. There it goes.
Got it.
Got it. We're not sure if there's supposed to be a washer on the nut side of the axle bolt. We'll talk to Rolling Wrench about that. See if there's supposed to be one.
Not too tight.
It needs to be very tight.
Yep, torque it down, slip under.
Good enough for now.